The North Texas Innovation Alliance is a nonprofit consortium of over 40 public, private, academic, and civic organizations. Our mission is to be the most connected, smart, and resilient region in the country.
Well, I'm Jen Sanders. I'm the Executive Director of the North Texas Innovation Alliance. And I'm Caroline Eckel. I'm a Program Manager for the North Texas Innovation Alliance.
What we're really trying to do here is to find innovative ways to solve old problems using technology and data, but ultimately we're improving the quality of life of everyone here in North Texas. One of the biggest pieces of NTXIA is how do we help work cross-departmentally, cross-organizationally, and then finally cross-sector. And one of the things we love best about Dallas County is how many departments came to the table so we could all find common solutions to very different problems.
A lot of key leadership here today. We had elected officials. We got to see what the latest and greatest and just how we can improve our operations and service delivery.
Yeah, we're just excited to be bringing some of these technologies to North Texas. We want to see some of these ideas implemented and see what we can get off the ground in terms of innovation in North Texas.
My name is Meili Santan. I'm heading the operations of Clevon here in the United States. What we do is last mile delivery robots, which are intended for neighborhoods, for industrial areas, or in any place where you need to deliver package, parcel, groceries from point A to point B.
The only way to really know if something is going to work for your municipality is to actually see it work in action. And things like this call for innovation, where we were able to say, here is the problem we're looking to solve, and be open to any type of solution without being prescriptive, allows us to bring in 10 of these incredible companies today to be able to see, touch, feel, and experience what this might look like really operating in Dallas County.
My name is Lenny. I'm a FE flight engineer for DroneUp, and we do drone delivery.
If we take a time out, I think we'll get laughed. So we have to stay current, see what's out there, how we can continue to improve and have better operations for our residents and businesses. Really cool drone technology and different applications.
Side of what's happening. We have a lot of departments here from the cities, from the counties, especially some of the ones that really helped on this. Again, county administration, but the sheriff's department, y'all were vital in this, and some of the other departments. Some of the robotics that we're looking at, some of the drones that we wanted to take in place and look at it in here is for our public safety part of it. We want to look at it so when we're doing county inspections, we're also looking at it for search and rescue, and if law enforcement needs them, they'll be available for that. But not only that, I also want to let y'all know what we're also looking at is these drones and robotics that help us out in facilities also. And some of our inspections, especially how the weather here in Texas is. 1 minute it's hot, next minute a tornado is coming. We want to use these type of equipment so we can do assessments on buildings, some of our high-rise buildings, and get up on the roof areas, and also an inspection part of it.
I wasn't prepared to see the robotics and immediately saw some great applications that we definitely want to try out in Dallas County.
It's a tremendous asset to have events like this here in the Dallas-Fort Worth area where vendors can exchange platforms, ideas, and kind of open up what they're working on to the wider innovation and tech community.
The beautiful thing about the application that we saw is that it's a force multiplier for us. It's going to allow us to monitor a lot closer high crime areas.
Give us more information than we usually have, which was great. If we have more information, then we can make better decisions about trying to communicate. If we cannot communicate, if we eventually have to go inside the location and make contact with a suspect or just a person in crisis, we're on a better footing.
I'm Valentine Taylor. I'm with Marketplace.city. We help local governments source, evaluate, and procure technology and services. So we worked with Dallas County and the NTXIA to set up today. I think what today's shown is that local governments want and need to keep up with emerging technology, but generally don't have the staffing or resources to do so on their own. So they benefit from using a data-driven approach to sourcing and procurement to make sure that they have a focused approach to emerging technology, to make sure that they know what's important to them.
And really, Dallas County has always been up for innovation and crazy ideas, and we're so grateful to work with them today. And we can't wait for our next one later in 2023.
The North Texas Innovation Alliance has been a great partner. This event has gone seamlessly, and we look to have more of them.
One of the reasons the North Texas Innovation was founded as a freestanding nonprofit is just that. We can move freely and quickly throughout the industry and support public sector entities to know what they don't know and be able to try new technologies and understand what's going to work and, more importantly, what's not going to work in their city for their residents. Today's call for innovation and demo day is exactly why we love what we do. We get to try new things in different ways. We get to bring information to the cities and municipalities in our region. And folks like Dallas County just come forward and they say, bring us your best ideas. And then they're willing to take a look at them and learn and be able to put them in the ground here and make the best decisions they possibly can. For more information and to perhaps become a member of NTXIA, please visit www.ntxia.org.